Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to print, like user need to take two values. For example, A and B, and we have to print from the value A, from value A to the value B. So this is the problem statement. Like user need to take two values A and B. So we have to store the user input values in A and B, and we have to print the values from the value A to the value B. And so if you don't understand this question, don't worry. If I write the code, you'll understand. So let us write the problem, the program. Import Java dot till dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, and ta is equal to sc dot next in, and b is equal to sc dot next in. Okay, so we have taken two user inputs and we have to print from value a to the value b. So for that I'm using the tool for loop. So int I is equal to, it should start from value a, like it should start from value a, right? So we are starting from a and we are ending with b. A to B, and after that we are using I plus plus for the incrementation purpose. So just we have to print the I value. So what we have do, like what we had done, right? Which is we have taken the value A, like two inputs A, B, and we are starting from value A and we are ending with value B. So that is the problem statement. So this is the program. So we know the tool, right? For loop tool. So we are using that tool to print this I. That's it. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. Let us give 8. And I've given D. See, from 8 to, like after 9, 10, up to 20 we have got, right. So this is the problem. We are giving two values and we are printing from A to B. Here A is 8 and B is 20. So I hope if you find helpful for you, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.